What is the success fee for personal injury? Success fees, also known as uplift fees, are additional charges that no-win, no-fee lawyers may apply to their standard rates upon successfully resolving a personal injury case. By law, these fees must not exceed 25% of the regular legal fees. For example, if a case incurs $100,000 in legal fees, a lawyer could add a $25,000 success fee upon favorable settlement. Success fees are designed to compensate solicitors for the risks involved in taking on personal injury cases under conditional retainer agreements, such as no-win, no-fee arrangements. In these cases, lawyers may not receive payment until the case's conclusion, and they risk not getting paid if the outcome is unfavorable. Importantly, success fees can be charged even if only a portion of the fees is contingent on a successful result.